Our second speaker is from the Law and Entrepreneurship Master's class. Andrew Walton was raised in Salt Lake City. He came to Duke Law School well prepared to study the legal and business issues involved with new ventures, having already earned an MBA and a JD in his earlier studies. Last week, following completion of his coursework, he returned to his job at Halliburton in Houston, Texas, where he lives with his wife and 2 children. Andrew.
Thank you, Dean Levy. Chief Sitting Bull, a great American hero, once said that if a person doesn't live what he knows, does that person truly know? As an LLM student who studied law and entrepreneurship, we have the opportunity to come having already obtained a vast amount of knowledge. Some of us had earned MBAs. All of us had earned a Juris Doctorate degree. All of us had studied and taken a bar exam, and some of us were even crazy enough to take it in more than one state. Yet we all elected to come to Duke because we knew that we wanted to obtain more knowledge. We knew we wanted to learn more. And here within the walls of Duke, we were able to obtain this knowledge. First, through adopting, once again, the blessed Socratic method. Yes, sometimes that was hard for us because we'd done it so long before, but we really tried to jump in again. Second, we did it through a practical, real-world placement, where we were able to work with, be mentored by, and make mistakes with real-world legal and business decision makers. These range from various industries, from startup companies to growth stage companies, all the way up to publicly held companies. Yet, if this is all the knowledge that we've received here at Duke, I think we will have failed, because we have learned more within these hallowed halls. First, we learned self-motivation. Self-motivation is at the heart of entrepreneurship. It is the desire to go out and find something that's missing, and then the motivation to find a solution. In my first 2 weeks at Duke University, I sat down with a friend and mentor of mine, Professor Erika Buell. And she said, Andrew, treat this program like an entrepreneurial experience, and then live your life in the very same way. Self-motivation is the opportunity to go out and find opportunities, to find ways to be successful, and grasp after them, and seek to obtain them. Second, we learned fortitude. The fortitude to be willing to sacrifice our time and our talents to truly be successful. And the fortitude to endure a wonderful Professor Kip Johnson assignment that occupies our entire weekend, because we had obviously nothing better to do. Third, we learned integrity. The integrity to succeed not at all costs, but the integrity to succeed with excellence, to succeed with greatness, and to succeed with honor. These are some of the lessons that we've learned here at Duke University. And these lessons are those that will allow us to be successful both in our personal and professional lives moving forward. It is my hope and prayer that we will heed the counsel of Chief Sitting Bull, that we will take the additional step, that we will apply what we know, that we will live what we know, that we will be what we know. On behalf of the LLM students who are studying law and entrepreneurship, I would like to thank Duke University, Professor Kip Fry, who is our program director, and Megan Teasdale for all that they do to make this program great. Kings to you all, thank you.